Guys, welcome back to Dinner Party. I'm Ashna.
I'm Shloka.
I'm Isha.
And I'm Khushi.
Woo, wanna woo?
It's so like fed into my head, like I just have to hear it now or almost say it. But first, we are sorry for the short break that we took. We didn't plan to take a break in between our episodes. It was just something that happened. And the first weekend we took was for Ganpati because the day I think the episode had to go live was
The day we had to get the
yeah,
Ganpati.
Sthapna. No. Ganpati was already there.
Visarjan day.
The Visarjan day, I think. And then after that, we were going to shoot, but night of Ganpati. The first day, second day.
Second day. First day, mummy was sick. Second day, it was.
Yeah. So before Ganpati even started, Isha and Shloka's parents were already sick with the viral. And at that time, I don't think we knew it was viral. We just thought they've both
Gotten fever.
fallen sick.
Yeah.
And then that's why they didn't come to celebrate Ganpati. And then the day of
Ganpati, when we did Sthapna, afternoon we came to know that mummy is not feeling fine and she's not getting out of bed.
yeah.
So then I went home. We got her medicines. We made her sleep because यहाँ पे मुफ्ती
Yeah.
आया था. उसके बाद we went there. वहाँ पे उनको medicine सब दिया. I came back here. Then रात को we found out again that she is still not better.
Yeah, she's not eating or waking up. She was just
Yeah.
slithering.
How we all ran to that.
And रात को everybody just ran
Everyone
together.
kind of panicked. I think it started with
Me.
Dingy and then everyone started panicking.
Hmm.
So we all got up quickly, khana khake, and we left. We went to
Yeah, our house
Yeah.
उधर.
And why we panicked is because my mom is always the stronger one. Like she won't fall sick that easily. And she not coming out of bed was like, she's not coming out of bed is what my
कभी full भी bed rest she doesn't take.
Yeah.
And afternoon में when I went and I saw her that time she didn't look. She looked sick, but it felt like she'll take medicines and she'll get up. We got her medicines from the general doctor. Whole day. Her last scene was 11 a.m. in the morning. One of the family members came to know like that only. He told that how is Asha Akka not using WhatsApp full
WhatsApp.
day? She's fine. That is what.
Yeah.
That's what even Dingy was concerned. She's like, वो सब तो ठीक है, but मम्मी WhatsApp पे कैसे नहीं आई है अभी तक? That is what
Yeah.
I think it's serious. We have to go.
Yeah.
And then we went in the middle of the night and checked on her, but she was just sleeping. And she was like, what happened? Why did you all come?
Yeah. I think she needed somebody to like shake her and wake her up. My dad was like very silently asking her, Asha, are you okay? But she didn't respond. So that's why my dad got so paranoid.
We could hear her on the phone saying, "अरे यार sorry, सर दर्द हो रहा है पीछे से."
But then we had to get her admitted because
Yeah.
she has a history with her brain surgery. So doctor said we have to get her admitted, and that's when the entire thing started and the panic started, and hence y'all did not see me on the second day of Ganpati. I got
Yeah.
many messages saying that why can't we see you?
In the pictures and everything.
And, I have not replied to anyone because I was like, "बात एक बार साथ में ही सबको बोल
हो जाएगा.
that we were in the hospital with mom. And that is why यहाँ पर विसर्जन के लिए I couldn't be there. But on video call, I was there. with these guys.
Your mummy was there.
Yeah, my mom was there. And मेरी मम्मी video call पे ही पैर पड़ रही.
She loves Ganpati. That is also one thing that हमको बहुत बुरा लगा कि she is the most enthusiast. She comes घर पे, she makes मोदक for everyone.
Sheera.
Sheera.
She make.
उखड़ी का मोदक तो हाँ चल इतना नहीं, but शीरा वीरा she makes
Yes.
for everyone. So she's always pumped for the festival. And उसके पहले ही day पे first day itself when I went there, she was not getting up and it's very unlike her. थोड़ा बीमार है तो भी वो गणपति देखने जाएगी because उनको बहुत ही है.
And then what happens? In 2 days, we get my mom discharged. Like Dingy comes.
Not 2 days, one next day.
Next-
Yeah.
No, sorry, one night.
The day
She
of
stayed,
Visarjan.
other night she stayed and
Yeah, one night, next day, Shloka comes to the hospital and I told her, now you stay and get her discharged tomorrow and get her back home. And then Shloka calls me at 4 a.m. messages me at 4 a.m. Isha, I think
Messages me.
messages me. But she didn't call.
she messages me saying that, Isha, I think I am sick. and you need to come here and get both of us out of the hospital.
I went there to take care of my mom, and my mom was itna fine. Her admitting her was just a precaution step because she has a history of brain tumor, but she had normal viral, and she became ekdam fine. When I went, the nurses and the doctors were coming to attend her. She's telling them to look at me because I was not being able to move. Suddenly, रात को क्या हो गया? I don't know. When I met Isha, I was fine.
Yeah, the रात को I told her मैं जा रही हूँ. She was doing the night duty with mom, and I was like, कल तू discharge करके लेके आ जाना and meet you all at home. And then in next 7-8 hours I see them again, and when I see them, my mom is nicely chilling like this, and Dingy is wearing is with the blanket
like this, wrapped and shivering. I got the viral. I think पूरा घर में फैला है वो. My dad got, then my mom got, then I got. वो हम लोगों को मुझे भी हो गया.
And then their mom calls Isha and says, why did you send her here? I've had to take care of her all night. She's done nothing here. All the काम I've had to do.
मम्मी goes to the washroom. उठने के टाइम तो whenever you're attending somebody, you get up and you go to the washroom with them. I was pushing myself the hardest that I've come here. I have to get up at least. But I'm standing and I'm shivering. Na? So she's telling me, you sit. I will have to hold you. बीच में I lost balance and my mom held me. And she's the patient. It was so funny.
The morning में
And then
इसको क्यों भेजा?
तो घर
and then Isha goes to discharge them, and she's like, I've come back with 2 patients, and both me and mummy are holding Dingy now to get her home.
He has acted like she's on her deathbed, huh? Like she came back.
Oh yeah.
I was really bad that time. I was सच्ची में shivering and not. I don't
think I've ever seen her this sick,
Yeah.
which was so funny.
It was
Because-
very funny, and because she was like, Isha कुछ होगा तो नहीं ना? Like, क्या होगा? She told my dad, Daddy, I got Papa. What we call him, यार? Papa. हाँ, Papa, I got this. I hope मुझे कुछ होगा नहीं. So my dad is like, you look at my age, look at mummy's age. हम recover होंगे, मुझे क्या होगा?
इतना बड़ा ऐसा I don't think health wise I've hit ये low which that एक रात hospital में hit. उतना I don't think इतना
Once
हमारी
in the hospital while attending mummy, I was looking this side and I was throwing on the call. I look back and she's fallen from the bed. And I'm like, and I kept them like, क्या हो गया? No, I thought I'm on the घर का bed. मैंने तो attend कर लिया.
इतना पतले से बेड पे she was sleeping and then she went to turn and she fell down सीधा.
And mummy from the bed. अरे गिर गई.
she already बेचारी stayed more than I think 1 day से ज्यादा she stayed. रात को 3 o'clock I left from the hospital. अगले दिन गणपति she didn't come. तो मेरा था कि she sent me for विसर्जन. उससे कुर्बानी दिया. I go after विसर्जन कि I'll go to take care. उधर जाके उल्टा ही हो गया. अगले दिन बेचारी had to come back.
हाँ, I had fixed my gym timing and all. I'm like, sorry, I'm not coming today also.
I took अभी आज मुझे 10 days हुआ है and I am अभी fine but still the energy levels are not
Great.
There yet.
yeah like how I usually today I felt the best I have felt in the last
All these days.
days.
Yeah, we were scared when she came back here. We're like, you're fine now. Please, I don't want to sleep next
We have
Fine.
decontaminated the mattresses, the bed sheets, the washroom, everything because we are very paranoid.
yeah
Like I feel even I am very germo, not
Yeah.
a very extreme germophobe, but I have thoda this thing. So
this you should also because it's sort of
Yeah.
contagious.
But Asha Mummy is still feeling the weakness na thoda bahut.
She is
Her recovery is
slower
slower.
to recover because she's older. मेरे को 10 दिन हो गए अभी I am up and running.
Yeah, I think this is with aging parents also. Like, you know, like
Yeah.
when you see your, like, abhi, when you and your parent both have fallen sick, you will recover faster,
Faster.
but your parent will take a lot of time.
long.
Like, my mom is so strong, like, internally also she's very fit and everything, but उनको अभी तक body ache हो रहा है. And she messages me, आज body ache हो रहा है, क्या करूँ?
करूँ.
And I don't have any answer because I think it's your age. That is the reason you're recovering
slower
Very
than before.
But-
And I think for her it's frustrating also because she's also not used to seeing herself like that. Like she's very active. She likes to stay busy and do things around the house.
Every day.
And sitting and here
That
like
she's still doing.
as soon as she also fell sick and hospital ka discharge ho gaya, then we decided to get both of them here. But here also she was like, I can't just sit. Like I'm
She was very
bored.
And
And
both have a
irritated.
high functioning
Yes.
energy. All of us have it, I think.
Yeah.
पूरा time we can't sit.
Yeah, like she was very bored. यहाँ पर भी she was like waiting to go back home because when कितना ही बोलो कि our parents are more used to staying where they always stay. Like at the age of 50, 55,
Very difficult to adapt.
an old person to another place altogether, and they will be like, क्या हो गया? Even if
Unsettling.
even if they're staying in a small house or there is noise or they're still used to that environment only.
Yeah. And she had moved here पहले भी जब उनका I think last year था.
2 years हो गया ना?
Last last
years हो गया.
It was last year.
So this year was 1 year.
1 year. 1.5 year हुआ.
I think.
March
Yeah.
14th she got operated 2023.
1.5 year if you.
Of course, you remember the exact date.
अरे सब इंश्योरेंस में भरना पड़ता है ना डेट 14th March everywhere डाला था. She got operated.
Yeah.
1.5 year.
Tabhi she stayed for like a good
3 months.
3 months.
That
yeah.
time also she wanted to go back. So many times she asked me, I'm like, we can't let you go back. There's nobody to take care there.
Because she has a routine now over there. She gets up in the morning. She has everything properly.
हाँ.
Even with our mom, she's used to her room only. She can't even shift to another room because she's so used to her space. Like she can't go anywhere else.
Yeah.
The older these people get, it becomes very difficult for them to actually adapt to other places. Plus, they are also in some ways getting a little dependent also on us. We've also noticed
Which
this,
they
that
don't like.
they don't like it, but you know, they don't have an option. Like when I was also sick. वायरल के टाइम पे इवन माई मॉम वाज सिक. अभी मम्मी बीमार पड़ती है किसी भी घर में तो इट्स द वर्स्ट बिकॉज मदर्स आर द वंस हु टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीवन. सो वी केम हियर. ईशा वाज द मदर. शी वाज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मी, माय मॉम एंड एवरीवन. But
now she's scared of falling sick.
Yeah, I'm
So basically she's paranoid.
Yeah.
she has to travel so uske pehle to not fall sick. But it is very this ki now when you fall sick and your parents fall sick together, now you still have to take care. Abhi when I was sick here, papa ka medicines and all udhar, how is he taking, not taking? It was a stress constantly in our head. Pehle aisa nahi tha. Pehle when we were younger, our parents used to do this for us. Now we are doing. So that role changing na is a little, I think it's a little difficult for us also to adapt to completely because it doesn't happen. It happens suddenly. It feels like it's happening suddenly. Suddenly your parents' ka frequencies of falling sick is much more, like they are getting old. They are not young people now.
Yeah.
They take so much time to recover. They have their set of medicines which they find so difficult to understand. कि ये कौन सा लूँ, ये खत्म हो गया तो क्या करूँ मैं, क्या कर, मतलब it's very, as kids I feel it's a little
Sad.
sad. I think yeah, it's a little difficult for you to suddenly wrap your head around that. Isha and we were talking that now mummy also, we always used to talk about her that how fit and you know she can take care of herself, but when she was sick this time she couldn't.
Yeah. Like seeing your parents do things not so perfectly as they used to do before is a very sad and scary feeling. Like my mom, she walks at lightning speed. And that day when I saw her coming out of the room, she was like थोड़ा सा not limp, but थोड़ा उनको घुटना दुख रहा था.
Yeah.
तो वो तो I was like shit. वो देखकर it was like वो heart and like sync होता है.
You never imagine mummy as a old woman. I can never imagine that because she's always been कि क्या चाहिए, ये क्या चाहिए, क्या चाहिए.
मम्मी मारने के लिए भाग के आती थी मेरे पास. आज वो बात भी करने के लिए like ईशा
आराम से
से. हाँ, तो that is a very like वो like just note witness this like 4 days 5 days back.
Yeah.
तभी मेरे को थोड़ा सा heart sync होता है.
Because I think when you're growing up, you don't realize that when you are growing up, your parents are also growing up and growing old. And then you're not prepared for situations like them getting admitted in the hospital and then you having to look after those things. And I feel like some people deal with it at a very young age also and they're not prepared at all for it.
Yeah.
And for us, we are fortunate at least to be financially stable and have the kind of such situations happen also. We are not in a panic state.
Yes,
Like when you don't know anything and you're very young, तभी बहुत overwhelming
It's
लगता
very
है.
overwhelming in the start. When
And
you
helpless.
Are, yeah,
Helpless,
when you
yes.
are at that age, when you are just entering your 20s and suddenly everybody is, your parents have gotten so old. Especially I am younger in the house. So मेरे लिए papa is very, my dad is very old. 64.
Yeah.
Isha is the older daughter. He had also a child late. So he is suddenly 64 when I am 24. So it is very this ki, you've gotten so old suddenly. I am still growing up.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like, I'm still learning these things. I don't know exactly how to take care of you overnight.
Yeah.
As like overnight, the roles have shifted. It was not a gradual progression. Like, of course, we have to adapt to it because they have also done the same for us.
Yeah.
But it feels like a very sudden
And suddenly you have to figure out grown-up things like insurance,
like, oh my God.
things that you don't know how
At
to
all.
do, but you're just thrown into it and you're like, chalo, figure out karo.
The ins and outs of insurance. She has done so much paperwork.
I'll be an agent now. Because my dad has gotten admitted a lot of times in the last few years. तो उनका insurance के time पे तो इतना
Yeah.
problem होता है कि तभी समझ में नहीं आता था start में. Now if somebody says insurance, I have PTSD. Like, don't say insurance around me because it's a very hectic process. Plus if you have a government insurance, you have these things, the processes are even slower. And not all companies have a very user-friendly policy.
Yeah.
It's very, and if we find it so difficult, how will our parents? They are technologically also so backward. They've not grown with devices.
But I think our parents are also a little bit in denial that they are growing old because they don't want someone to have to take care of them. Like they don't want the roles reversed. They're used to taking care of the kids so much that when the kids do it for you, you're like, this is weird now. Why are my kids suddenly?
They're used to telling us what is right
to
and
do.
wrong.
Yeah.
And when suddenly we start telling them that, listen, don't do this, don't do that and this. So it's difficult for them also to accept this change, I think. And
I think even I would not want to accept
Yeah.
growing
I
old.
think one thing that I've noticed is a lot of people say that I want my parents to rest now and, thing. I feel they shouldn't be resting because at an old age, if you don't have anything to look forward to and only looking forward to your kids coming home or what will your kid eat, like our mom, she's so invested in you, like kab khayegi, kab soegi, kab pegi, because they don't have anything else to do. Okay, life didn't give them a choice, they don't have much options, but I feel if your parent has a hobby or if has a job, let them continue it, not for the sake of money, but just for the sake of being busy in life.
Otherwise,
Forward to accept from your family.
yeah.
And then small gains in their work can give them that confidence that even a little amount coming in their bank account, even if they're old, which is earned by themselves, will give them that confidence to live life rather than just sitting at home and waiting for your kids to come talk to them. Like that, mummy was staying here for 4 days. I just saw her so lost. She didn't know what to. She was just irritating me. Full time.
She was treating Dingy like a toddler this time.
रात को she removed the pillow from my head.
Because you were sick.
Yeah.
Not because
And also because she sometimes has to baby you a lot.
Yeah.
But this was heights. Itna I have not been babied by her even at home.
Dingy to walk from one end of the hall to the other. She's holding things and walking. I'm like, what happened to you? And mummy and sauce
Just sitting like that everywhere as if everything is gone in her life.
Because I also can't sit. Because I had those days were crucial because Ganpati जाएगा मेरा plan था because I'm going to travel. उसके पहले finish everything.
Yeah.
And those days got wasted. I was like, क्या करूँ?
ऐसे ही होता है when you have work and you have a lot of things to do ना तभी बीमार पड़ते हैं. This is more for us, I feel, to just learn from what we've observed, because there are a lot of parents that are very independent still after their children grow up. Also, they have their own interests, and at the same time, there are parents that are, because they've spent 22 years looking after their children and they are very invested in their life, उनका कहीं ना कहीं छूट जाता है. Like their own interests are left behind because they're so busy in the like bringing up their own children. तो उसमें I feel थोड़ा बहुत they lose sense of what their own interests are and what they want to do and they like and dislike. And after a point they're like how your mom said, I'm 50 and 50 बहुत
Like
बेकार है. Like that
midlife crisis.
yeah, उसके बाद you feel like अब क्या what to pursue also, like what's the point?
But even if it's not something monetary or like you don't have an
Just a hobby.
just have a hobby, because I've seen this so much in Amma, like our Nani. She has no hobbies or she has nothing to look forward to in the day, or she doesn't have anything that she wants to do.
Her hobby is to fuck with people. And like
That's what becomes a hobby.
Her hobby is to be in your business so much.
yeah.
to ask खाना खाया And that's exactly
Like, what are you eating? Why are you eating? Why is the light on? Why is this on? And where is this?
And that is
ye
so
bill
much
kitna
because she
hai?
doesn't have a hobby. Like if she had something to do, she probably wouldn't care so much about
Yeah.
why is the fan on in that room if you're not sitting there.
thing. As Isha says, empty mind, devil's
workshop.
Yeah. But it feels very strange in our building also when she was telling about parents finding hobbies and all. In our building also, so many kids have gone to study abroad. Now I see their parents.
My God.
The kids are gone.
Empty nest.
Yeah.
They are empty nesters. They are old. They are so. I find them so lost at times. It feels so sad. These are the parents who I used to see running around that child. Their whole child life was revolving around the kid, and now suddenly kids have gone abroad. They don't know what to do with their time. So we just encourage them that have a social circle. At least other aunties come together. I think our building, they do it very well. All aunties come together. They sit. Abhi Ganpati tha, so everybody was doing aarti together. That form of sense of community na is required, especially when you are older. So a lot of times now that our parents are older, they understand things regarding technology and all also a little slower. Like they are not that fast at learning things. If you show them one function, it doesn't register that easily because with age your learning also reduces. So a lot of times this happens with me that I lose temper. Arey, abhi to bataya tha. And then I only feel bad. The whole cycle continues and I try to overcompensate. Usse better is that at that moment we have to be patient with our parents now because they are now becoming babies.
Yeah, I think I control my temper a lot. I have many moments that I can lose my mind and start shouting, but I control a lot with my mom because I know that I'll feel bad later. Even if she's wrong, I'll feel bad later.
Yeah.
So then I control myself a lot.
Yeah, I usually struggle with this. Isha always tells me that only, that in the moment don't shout because then you are going to feel bad about it, that you are going to spend your time feeling guilty, overcompensate for your sake at least.
Yeah, that even I have learned to shut up only.
I think Isha and I are similar in that sense. Thoda, like we'll shut
I
up.
never lashed out, but
Yeah.
even that little lashing out is also like
With age, I feel everybody का थोड़ा कम होने लगता है.
yeah.
As you're growing older, because you keep realizing that loop is very toxic for your own self.
Yeah. I think Honey has spent a lot of time with my mom when she was young. So this time when she came home, like my observations will be different, yours will be different because Honey was my mom's favorite. Like मेरे पहले भी Honey आती है मम्मी के लिए. She's बहुत ज़्यादा favorite है. इसके ऊपर हमारे घर झगड़े भी.
It's not from my side.
From my side, my insecurity. And my mom doesn't like me and likes Honey more.
Which I was unaware of. Okay, there is any type of क्या बोलते हैं?
Favoritism.
Like she likes me more. वो मुझे पता भी नहीं था. I was more of a
Cooking.
पुचड़ी behind her के मुझे काम दे दो घर में मैं क्या करूँ? What should I do? I'll help you cutting something. ये वो.
Extra nice daughter.
Like I just wanted to do things. And तभी I don't think we were close. So I used to be behind her. क्या I'll help you घर में क्या करना है ये वो. Like I feel like last year we had a lot of hospital trips. And even like family wise, not just our parents, but like cousins, parents, etc. Like we had a lot of hospital visits and we are like, this is just so sad. Like growing up, you don't think only about this part. You think that you are going to grow old, your parents are going to grow old, happy ever after. Like you never think about the health aspect of it, which is such a huge thing and which I feel a lot of people take for granted. We take for granted, like our own health also, but also like our parents' health. And I feel like even they take it for granted. And it's such a helpless situation because it's not something you can control. It's not something money can buy. It's not something, resources can get you. It's just up to whoever. And one more thing I wanted to say, what I was going to say with this, I feel like a lot of people also struggle with, parents that drink, or it's that thing where you're not their parents, so you, like how your parents tell you don't drink alcohol, don't smoke, and then you are going to hide from them and do all of those things. And at a certain age, that thing comes where it's reversed and you are telling your parents,
Stop.
don't drink, don't smoke, don't do things that will harm your health, and or don't eat certain foods and all of that, but they're not going to listen. And then at that point it's like, you're my child, don't tell me what to do. And some parents listen, but some don't. And that at that point, it's like a very sad this thing that you can't control something, and at the same time, you want them to listen to you, and then you have fights about that issue, and then it just
Yeah.
You know, in such situations, even your selfish side comes in play. Like this has happened with me. Like my dad, his food and diet habits are not at all in alignment with good health. He's doing everything.
which for them, I don't know what it is like. It's like after a certain age, you're like, fuck it, I just want to eat whatever I want to eat.
if
Like one life.
इससे better than मैं मर ही जाऊँ.
हाँ.
Yeah, everybody.
All
He
parents
just wants to eat sweets.
sweet
the whole-
and he's diabetic.
And yeah, I have to mention their family is it's not food for survival. It is food for the heart and the soul, and the passion that they have for food they don't have for their children also. They love food, like sweets and anything, any kind of food it's a different passion in their family. So for a person then to fall sick and not be able to eat sweets and all is a big deal.
Big challenge.
To care for such people now who don't care for themselves, like with the mom,
Yeah,
it's
it's
very
very
easy.
difficult.
Because our mom is very, if you give her instructions, she's very serious because she wants to get better.
Yeah.
But with my dad, he is not concerned with, he's okay being not well. Then your selfish side comes in the play that, you know, my time also goes in taking care of you, in going to the hospital. You're also costing me time here, and you're not taking care of yourself also. You are falling sick. You can also, it's a two-way street. We can't just be idle children and keep taking care of you all the time. You also
And
have to take care of your health.
Another selfish thing might be there that you want them to take care of themselves so they live longer with you.
Exactly. Yeah.
Like
we don't
that
want
also
you
is
born.
a little selfish. This
Yes.
thing, I want y'all to be healthy so that we get to spend more time with y'all, or
Take care of you all the way you all have taken care.
Yeah, we want you around. And they are like, it's okay. हम लोग का क्या है अभी? खा के हम लोग चले जाएंगे. But
I
we
mean,
don't
this
want.
point is also very fair that if I'm not able to eat anything, then I might as well eat and enjoy my life, and then
वो क्वीन का डायलॉग नहीं है कि कोई शर्मा जी दारू पीकर सिगरेट का क्या था
ना सिगरेट पी के ना दारू पी के भी
इससे अच्छा पी लेते
मर गए, उससे अच्छा पी लेते हैं.
lives by this. It's wrong. Please
It's
don't
very wrong. Follow this. It's all injurious to health and it is causing him a lot of problems now. A lot. But
Yeah.
don't do that because it's unfair to people who are taking care of you also if you are not taking care of yourself. It's unfair to them. Like, why are they supposed to take care of you then? It's not valid.
Yeah.
I think a lot of times aging parents also like make you grow up very quickly. If not other circumstances in your life, this is one aspect that everybody goes through, and it's not something you're prepared for.
Yeah.
But the one thing I feel that makes it easier is having siblings that
Yeah.
who can talk to, and it's not even if you don't talk to them and words are not said, you're just experiencing the same
situation.
things together, so you don't even need to say something at
Yeah.
a lot of places. Like it's just understood because you're feeling the same emotions, and it kind of brings you also together because you don't have to make somebody understand.
Yeah.
Like when it's friends, sometimes they might not get it, but your sibling is experiencing
They
it with
know how
you.
your parent is. They know
Yeah.
everything in and out. Like if Dingy will tell me a situation, I know exactly how Papa is going to react to it because I know she doesn't have to tell me.
It's a shared
Yeah.
experience.
It's easier now, like everything gets divided when you have a sibling. But if you're a single child, I don't know, like you have to take care of two parents and it takes up your time.
Yeah.
It is challenging, especially if you don't have resources, you don't have people to help, people to take care, to have older people and be the only person taking care is very difficult. When you have two people, it's easy. You can coordinate, you can divide duties.
This is one thing which is even nice about Indian families is that you have a lot of help, support. You have a lot of people to fall on, like in terms of relatives, in terms of family, friends, and all of that. Like it's very community based.
Like how you told me that when you're not there, get mom here. We are there.
Yeah.
So, if there are just nuclear families or you like, I think abroad, I don't think you need to hire a help maybe. And वहाँ पे वो भी करना बहुत difficult है.
Old age homes.
Yeah. So I
I mean,
think
depends on family to family. I think उधर भी अगर होगा उनका बड़ा family, then it's a different
family.
But for us also, if one thing that's there about us is that anything happens to either your parents or Paki or anyone, all four of us will get up.
Yeah.
Immediately that night also, all four of us got up, went to the hospital. So that is that I have the
Yeah.
Even Addy joined us. Even like we had that kind of support from everyone.
immediately.
It's important, I think, because how much ever you say you're strong, you can do it alone. You need people.
I though am a very behavioral. And he Isha. Gaadi mein hi suddenly Isha is like, relax, you're causing bad.
Yeah, she started crying and I'm like, it's okay. We have still not seen our mom also. और हम क्या क्या assumption लगा रहे हैं आप?
कि वो उठी क्यों नहीं है? क्या हो गया? My head run.
That I think thoda panic was also because unko headache ho raha tha specifically.
And
because of the
head ka
history.
patient, like she's had a tumor operation last year.
Yeah.
Or her scans are clear, we do it timely, but still like that fear that something is wrong with her head again.
Yeah.
Is there anything y'all are scared of? I think we can close like any episode
I
after
have a
this.
question for y'all. Every
I was just asking a question, but you can ask.
ask.
मेरे question के बीच में इसलिए I have a question. No, I'm saying this can be like the closing to our episode, but you also have a question, so then this is not our closing.
इसलिए I thought we don't close it. एक question है
So you ask then pehle.
what are your, we can cut it later, whatever, but I'll start my question again. But what are your opinion on old age homes? Me and Honey were having a discussion about this the other day.
My God.
Like not for our, in general, like what do you all think? Like first it was looked as a very big taboo to send your parents to old age homes. Of course, none of us plan on doing it. But in general, like where do you all stand on it?
I don't know where to
Views,
start because
I
we've actually gone to an old age home in Goa.
Yeah.
We were on a work type trip and we visited this place and we were in tears just because of how sad it was, because we met people over there. There were old ladies over there and they were all just like, there was one lady who I think had her family had not seen her in years and she was just there and she just kept saying her home address. She's like, I want to go back, this is my address, idhar aake milna mujhe, all of that, because she has not been to that address in years and she doesn't even know if her family still lives there or not. Like they were completely out of touch. So that was a whole very, very sad day, I feel, because I was like, what is this life? Like your children can just abandon you and just leave you. Yeah. And then you've taken care of them your whole life for what? For this day.
You do not live in your house when you are that old. That is the saddest thing, I think.
I don't think I've ever been to an old age home or seen as in person, but I feel horrible when I see an old person sitting and eating alone also. Like anywhere. They might be fine. They might be completely happy eating by themselves and chilling.
Yeah.
But if I just see an old person in school also, if I used to see a teacher, like an old teacher sitting alone and eating, we used to go sit by the teacher because I just feel bad for anyone who's sitting alone, even if they're fine. So I would feel very...
Yeah, I think because as you grow older, loneliness is one very complex thing that you deal with.
Right now we feel lonely in our 30s. So आगे जाकर क्या होने वाला है? We've not even lived half of our life.
Yeah.
So how does it feel?
And it's a very debatable thing, I feel, because some might say, "Nahi, you will make friends." Oh, it's like boarding school. Like for how it was, it's like
the
that.
Same level of difficulty. You had your own share of difficulty. They will have.
Now you're leaving your whole life and going into some other home to stay with other old people who you don't know, you've never met, and people think, "Acha, you will go make friends over there, and you will have help over there, and nurses or staff like to look after you and your needs and all or whatever." But there's different things. I don't. Yeah.
But I don't think I have the guts
in me to ever.
Like I will keep it as my priority and see what I can do around it.
So when I was doing a play, I was playing an old woman in theatre. So of course, there's no age barrier that way. So I had, for my research, I had visited a couple of old age homes. I even shared it, I think, with you all. So that time when I was seeing I saw both the sides. Some sides were this that these people are abandoned and they are feeling really sad about it. Like nobody is spoken to them or reached out to them. This was a private old age home that monthly the kids do the fees and everything. They just pay, but nobody visits. And one more side I saw was like a proper government this old age home where some people were really happy staying there. Like they said that instead of staying in their house, because their house environment, they felt very unwanted. Like the ladies, of course, didn't open up to me. The helpers and all were saying ki they really enjoy here because they formed a community, they formed friends, they have activities to do together. So in such cases, it is people who are not being treated, older people who are not being treated properly in their own homes. I feel it was a better solution for that particular woman who this lady was talking to me about. So of course, we will always strive our best that we reach a financial stage where we have a lot of help. When our parents are old, we can, try to have help around and make sure that everything is set in our houses. But some people who don't have the option to do that, it's a huge moral dilemma. Like, we don't have the heart to do it. But if you try to think from the other perspective,
depends on your situation.
maybe it's just depending on their situation.
Yeah.
It still feels very evil. Like, how can you do it?
It does.
But
I'm
again,
sure there are a lot of people who choose to do this because they don't have any other option. And it's a very difficult choice that they have to make.
but some people ka aisa bhi tha ki their property or something they named on the child's name, and then they got old and the child sent them away. These were the stories that I heard there, and they were really like, that's why we always tell your parents that whatever you all have for yourselves, resources, you just keep it for yourself. And we are nice children, of course, but just like
We are nice.
Yeah, nice.
You can
but
put my
still
name if
keep
you
it,
want.
because you like at this point, whatever conscience we have, abhi, us case mein we will always want you protected.
So,
Yeah.
What was your
Adi
question?
has a question.
so my question is, what is the one thing you're scared of about growing old?
I don't know about growing old, but one thing is I want to have enough finances kept for me when I'm old. Because kept for me by me.
Don't send you to the old age.
Yeah, by me only. Because I think money can't be the answer to everything.
Imagine your kids grow up and you're like, it's not for you, it's kept for me.
No, but I want to make enough to keep some money
So that
aside
you're
from.
secure.
Oh,
It's like financially
I
secure.
feel like money has it's a medium to freedom. So even when you're old, you have money,
Yeah.
you know ki kuch bhi ho jayega.
Dependability.
Like I said, parents don't like being dependent. If I have my money, I can just ask for help to get me admitted. But पैसा मेरे पास है कि मैं किसी पे burden नहीं बनूं. So that I want. I'm scared that मुझे इतना रखना है मेरे पास.
I think for me, it is not knowing everything, like not being at the pace of the world. Because when you're old, you lag behind in the sense that you don't, with whatever is happening around, whatever new has come, you will,
Very true.
you will not be in tune with that. Like whatever new policy has come, like how suddenly Web 3 came, Web 4 came. Like it's very difficult for parents to adapt.
I don't know now.
So you want to be in tune or you don't want to be in tune yourself?
That is my fear, that when you're old, you can't be in tune.
But when you're old, all the people you know are also old. So you're all lagging and in it together.
In it together, sense of community.
Like housing together.
Like my friend and me, we don't know so many things. So I was very happy meeting.
You can already see it happen.
Yeah.
But it's
when
a
you're
personal,
in your 30s, thoda interest chala. Like when I was early 20s, mein, I was very interested to learn everything. Whatever I thought was like, हाँ अभी ये चल रहा है, अभी ये चल रहा है. After a point, you just automatically stop caring.
I want to reach. If I
Yeah.
reach there, then nothing like it. But where I am now, it gradually scary
I
to see
think
people.
now also I don't really care if I don't know about all this.
But I get what you're saying. And I feel like if it automatically happens, like when you खुद से start to realize कि हाँ ये हो रहा है, and you feel like हाँ I'm at that point where I don't care now to keep up.
Yeah.
Like how when you're young, you feel like you want to keep up with everything that's going on around you, and with technology, you also want to grow with everything. Like abhi, the biggest which I feel for any generation that's happened is our parents only. I feel like we have still seen the switch from like no phones to extreme digital age. The most digital thing I've seen is this Ganpati wala thing that they did before we started rolling.
I didn't see it.
That is the
There was a photo of Gandu Papa on the phone
yeah
and they just showed it to the camera.
camera. Yeah. But that's the most digital 2024 thing I've seen so far.
The crew showed
Yeah.
context.
Mine is, I think, probably a life lesson from our parents only, that I never want to be that free in life. I don't want to have nothing to do and nothing to look forward to. Even if it's a hobby, I'm pretty sure I'll find something like painting or start knitting, or I do that now also. But I always want to find something to look forward to and not have nothing to do, and I'm sitting and I'm just lost. Because I think that's the worst feeling, that you don't know what to do with your time and you still have a lot of years ahead of you.
Yeah. And then you're just waiting ki kab-
Yeah, it's just like you're waiting for the end then.
Yeah.
I think I'll start teaching. तो मुझे वो बचपन का जो मेरा दुपट्टा पहन कर था, I can start teaching if I have nothing to look
For
forward.
students so that Bola Babu.
Yeah,
One
and the
steady
best thing is to be around kids in your old age.
Do you think you can teach on a Zoom class? Like, those were nightmare videos that lockdown में we used to see.
She won't know how to turn on her mic or anything. She's like, मैं कैसे चालू करूँ ये?
Yeah, but I think teaching will be my this if nothing else works out.
Nice. I think my answer is hospitals. Like, I am very scared of getting.
Oh yeah.
That is even now. But if I have to have a surgery or get admitted, like how every time we have gone to the hospital, I'm like, oh my god, like
मैं नहीं कर सकती.
I cannot do this. No injections and I cannot. Like that.
Same.
That puts me only gives me an anxiety attack in itself.
Yeah.
So I can't imagine, and that's one thing I don't want to look forward to.
If I have to have major surgery or something, just kill me. I'm fine. Just let me go, but don't cut me open and do all that. Grey's Anatomy बहुत clear to. नहीं.
Sign it.
Whatever card is there, give me. I don't want to survive.
Yeah.
Scary to go into a surgery because you are unconscious.
Because then you have to do the recovery also after that, which is so painful and
The scary part for me is that
Sorry. Another thing I don't look forward to is like people around me dying, like my close people. And if I am left alone,
I don't want to be the last to.
the last of us.
This is happening to our parents now. So many of my dad's friends have passed away, and he's just like
I think that's
in the last 1-2 years, it's suddenly become like
spike in death.
so many people that we know of. It's just very sad. Same age group.
It is the worst feeling, I think.
yeah. I think that's my
go and take care of your parents at home. I think that's all.
Yeah, be kind to them.
that's all.
she said it like this. Okay, guys, that's all for this episode. We will see you next weekend.
Bye.